I'm Chef Mike Moses, and welcome to my kitchen. And today we're taking a classic comfort dish to the next level. We're talking about beef stroganoff, but not just any stroganoff. This is my mother's special recipe from the 70s, with a modern twist using sous vide. If you're all about tender beef and flavors that meld perfectly over the hours, you're in the right place. Get ready because your taste buds are in for a treat. Beef stroganoff is a beloved dish all over the world, but today we're making it like you've never seen before. We're using inside round steak, cubed to perfection, and a mix of rich tomato soup, some mushrooms, garlic, onions, green pepper, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce for that deep, savory kick. And the secret weapon? It's going to be done in the sous vide, which makes the beef unbelievably tender and infuses it with every bite with flavor. So let's get started. First things first, let's season our cube steak with a bit of salt and pepper. You should always season in layers. So we got a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. That saves my wrists. And we'll just mix this up. Okay, to our hot pan, we're going to add just a dash of olive oil. Let's prepare the veggies, shall we? First of all, we'll get a green pepper. We want these in bite sizes. And while we're at it, we might as well do our mushrooms. You can use any kind of mushroom you want. These are just white button mushrooms. That's about a cup's worth of mushrooms. They'll render down quite a bit. Let's give our beef a stir. And all we're doing here is browning it, getting the flavors going. And we want our onions chunky as well. So we're just going to cut it in the middle. And we'll throw those in on the beef. Give those another season. As you know, we season in layers. And we can't forget our garlic. What we want for the garlic is just finely sliced. I'm using about 3 cloves of garlic. You can use more if you like, or you can use less if you like. We'll throw our garlic in the pan. Stir it around, get it mixed up nicely. Meat starting to come up. Be browned nicely. The onions are getting translucent. At this point, we'll add our green peppers and our mushrooms. And what we're doing here is just starting the flavor journey. After it sits in the sous vide for 3 hours, it's going to be delicious. Then we add our sour cream and serve it up over whatever type of pasta you like. So I want this to cook until the mushrooms have released all their moisture, which should be another 5 or 6 minutes. As you can see, the onions are nice and translucent. Green peppers are starting to cook, but they're not going to get mushy. They're going to stay fairly good, and the mushrooms are rendering down very nicely. And there's lots of juices in here, and these juices are part of the flavor profile. Some other ingredients you're going to need 2 cans of tomato soup, about a tablespoon of pepper. You're going to need about a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. Did I mention there's some garlic in this? Also, about a teaspoon and a half of Worcestershire sauce. And of course, about a cup or half a cup of beef stock. All right, now that our ingredients are all nicely browned and seared, the onions are translucent, the mushrooms have rendered down, let's get it in the sous vide bag. Got that mixture, and now it's time to add the other ingredients. Let's do our beef stock, our onion powder, our garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, our Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of salt, and the tomato soup. And now that everything's in the sous vide bag, we take it and we want to seal it. And the best way we do that is the over-the-counter method. I'm just going to mix it up a little. So we take our, till we just see the water just starting to come up. And if you seal your bag, just like that, it is all ready to go. And this goes into your sous vide machine, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it work its magic for about 3 hours. This slow cooking process is the key to transforming the tough inside round into a fork tender wonder. You're gonna love it. While our beef stroganoff is bathing in flavor, let's talk pasta. You can serve this over any pasta you love, but I'm going with a classic spaghetti noodles today. We're going to cook it al dente because remember, the star of the show is that beautifully tender beef. And let's not forget a side of crispy garlic toast. Perfect for sopping up that rich, tangy sauce. You're wondering about the sour cream? We're going to add that near the end. Did you know that beef stroganoff first originated in Russia in the mid-19th century? It's evolved over the years, and this sous vide version brings a whole new dimension to a historic dish. By cooking the beef at a precise temperature, we achieve a texture and a flavor that traditional methods can hardly match. If you're as excited about pushing the culinary boundaries as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more innovative recipes, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow food lovers. Have your own tips for sous vide or a family stroganoff recipe? Well, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your cooking adventures. Take our delicious stroganoff out of the sous vide machine, dry off the bag, and we're going to put the bag right in this pot. Since it's already hot, don't forget to get all the juices. And we'll set the temperature at just about 90 to 120 degrees centigrade, around 250 Fahrenheit. All we want to do is really melt the sour cream. And I'll put that in now. Start incorporating it. Don't forget to taste. Don't forget to taste your... Oh, that's good. That doesn't need any salt or anything. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope this recipe inspires you to explore the wonderful world of sous vide cooking. Remember, it's not just about following recipes, it's about making them your own. So take this classic, twist it up, and make it something special. Until next time, keep cooking, keep experimenting, and as always, enjoy your creation. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video. For more information on this recipe, head over to my website, www.chefmikemoses.com. You'll find I have a blog there with recipes you can print off. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm here to help you cook better, eat healthier, and shop smarter.